Lubempire engine oil manufacturing process. Lab tested, quality driven, performance oriented. 1. Premium base oil selection. We choose only the finest virgin base oil. 2. Density and purity check, ensuring strength, stability, and no contamination. 3. Flashpoint and viscosity tests, so it performs in any temperature. 4. Additive blending for friction reduction, wear protection, and engine cleanliness. 5. Final lab testing. Every drop meets our high standards. 6. Hygienic filling and packaging, sealed fresh for your engine. Each batch is sealed with a quality code, documented, and made ready for distribution.